Welcome to visit my channel. Are you looking for a good quality coffee maker? Yes. You have come to the right place. Let's find out about a good quality coffee maker. Today our review of Keurig K575 2.0 Brewing System Coffee Maker, carafe included. The Keurig K575 is a popular coffee maker known for its convenient single-serve brewing system that allows you to make a cup of coffee quickly and easily with just the push of a button. This versatile machine can brew a variety of beverages, including coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and more, using Keurig's patented K-Cup pods. Who want to customize their brew to perfection? The Keurig K575 coffee maker is a great choice for anyone looking for a convenient and high-quality coffee maker. Let's explain it with detailed information. Please stay with us. Strong brew, 5 cup sizes. The Keurig 2.0 K575 coffee maker 80-ounce reservoir, less than 1 minute brew time. Removable drip tray, fits a 7.2 inches travel mug. K-Cup pod brew sizes, 4 ounce, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, and 12 ounce. K-Mug pod brew sizes, 12 to 18 ounce. K-Carafe pod brew sizes, 22 ounce to 30 ounce. K-Cup pod brews a single cup. K-Mug pod brews a travel mug. K-Carafe pod brews a carafe. The most brew sizes, up to 12 ounce single cup, up to 18 ounce travel mug, up to 30 ounce carafe. The Keurig K575 has K-Cup reusable filter. The Keurig K575 programmable settings are strong brew, temperature control, auto on-off, energy saver, favorites setting, auto brew, K-Carafe pod only. XL color touchscreen, strength control, temperature control, programmable clock, auto on-off, night light wallpapers, auto brew. The Keurig K575 brewer has an extra large 80-ounce removable water reservoir. K575 dimensions are 13.2 inches high, 17.6 inches when open, 10.5 inches wide, 13.3 inches deep, and weighs 10 pounds. You can get coffeehouse taste in your own home by using the Keurig coffee maker. Included in the box, 6-count K-Cup pod variety pack, water filter handle, 2 water filter cartridges. Hundreds of varieties, brands you love. You can get America's leading coffee brands in the Keurig K575 coffee maker. Should know how the K-Cup pod works. First, freshly ground coffee from the leading coffee brands fills our K-Cup pods. Second, hot water saturates the freshly ground beans and flows through the paper filter. Third, gentle pressure extracts every ounce of rich, full-flavored coffee. Over 75 of the world's best beverage brands trust Keurig. With the Keurig K-Compact single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker, you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee quickly and easily. If you like this review, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our review of the Keurig coffee maker K575.